lights hold their breath. Clock hands aim like jets. Pages of the plan turn slow. Engines in the chest say go.
Marble foyer, shoes on fire, elevator hums a choir, hell and iron, focus tight, every small note forged into light.
Mirror of water across the lane, neon stitches overlaid.
Budget clean, patience paid, steps like drums in a victory parade.
Leading doors won't open, I redraw the wall. Maps feel narrow, I widen it all. Together, if thunder asks for proof tonight, we sign the sky with steady flight.
Titan hard runway,
Numbers bow to stride. Headlights crown the riverside.
Titan hard runway.
Oh, thin afterburn. Shadows read the lesson. Now we turn from ground to gold. We go! Keep the cadence, measure the breath. Go! Make the pressure, witness your depth.
Office glow, blueprints bloom, ledger whispers, harvest soon. Pages soaked in honest grind, steel outside a fearless mind. Harbor hush, ropes untied, wake draw silver under sky. Every mile a signed decree, discipline sets the water free. Brass like sunrise, 808s align the wake rates cursive on the brine. Choir holds the horizon wide, the compass nods, proceed with pride.
Count it. One for the long nights kept.
Two for the promises we never left.
Together. Three for the storms that trimmed our aim. Four, the climb. Five, the flame.
Titan hard runway,
Skyline to my eyes. Runway pulls the city to rise.
Titan hard runway.
Signature in air. Pressure turns to millionaire.
Not by luck, by daily care.
Keep time, keep time, keep time. Sharp, make time yours. Cross every
Hold the vow, lift the prow, lift it now, together.
Lift it Titan hard runway, engine sing low. Every fear reduced to strong.
Titan hard runway,
Decade in a night, habits built the right to fly. Streetlights exhale, dawn takes shape. We leave the doubt at the gate. Write the date, underline the proof. Discipline, big